Welcome back. This is Amy with the Lucky Hound, and I'm going to show you how to cut out the hole where the buckle goes on Super Heavy Biothane today. Okay, and I use this little tool, this little punch tool, and a hammer. And I just line up my two holes, and make sure you do this on solid surface, and I always use a leather to protect my punches. And then I just hammer it. Okay, and I flip it over. You don't have to flip it over, but I do because I like to see where the line lines up. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. Okay, and I'll just line this up and do the same thing again. Make sure it went all the way through. And that is how you punch the hole out for the buckle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.